Hey guys, good morning to you. So, I woke up early this morning. Not expected, but it happens. Sometimes it happens, you know, and I don't try to do anything about it. I just let things take its course. So, anyways, I wanted to do some core this morning, but instead I choose to do yoga. Well, the yoga is gonna have core involved, so that's what we're gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I mean, if you wanna follow, because the screen is gonna be right there, and that's cool too. But before I wake my daughters up and get them ready for school, and since I'm up early, I'm just gonna still get it in. So this video is, I believe,
all right, my friends, let's begin on
somewhere
all
around
fours today. Take your time getting there, of
3
course.
minutes. So,
And we're going to sync up with the breath today. We're right away, stretching through the front body and the back body. So as you're ready, find your beautiful foundation, press away from it, find integrity throughout, not just that which is touching the earth, but through the whole body. So length through the spine, tug the shoulders away. And here we go. Tug the shoulders away from the ears. Don't tug your shoulders away. And here we go. Drop the belly nice and slow. Take a big sip of air in. And then exhale round through the spine. Empty it out. Nice long exhalation. Welcome, guys. Inhale, drop your belly. Let's make the most of this time here on the mat together. Exhale round through. One more time, really relish deep in the breath here. Feel that stretch, press away from your yoga mat. And then exhale, chin to chest, navel to spine. Stretch it out. Awesome, inhale, come back to tabletop position. If you're starting to feel pressure in your wrists here, claw through the fingertips, connect to your core, your center, that which we're targeting today. All right, curl the left toes under, send it back. Lift front body up to meet back body. So if the belly's drawing down here, see if you can draw the navel up towards the spine, kind of defy gravity here and start to find that core power. Here we go. You're going to slowly draw a line with the left toes all the way out. Feel that connection in the left side, left abdominals. Turn the left toes in. Now check it out. Press away from your yoga mat. Should feel a nice big stretch here. And again, resist the tendency to collapse here. So you're really starting to connect to your core already. Then from here, draw a big circle, press into both palms evenly. Left toes, you're gonna draw a big circle all the way around. You're gonna bend, and then we're gonna squeeze in towards the back of the right knee here, pressing into both palms evenly. Feel a nice stretch through the glute. Keep pressing into the top of the right foot for stability. Now just back the way you came. Here you go. Left toes come around. Semicircle, I should say, not full circle, all the way around. Press away from your yoga mat. Nice, slow, steady movement. Exhale all the way back around and in. Navel draws in and out. Stay connected to your core as you continue this movement. Once you feel like you have it, you can take your eyes off the video and bring your gaze straight down so you can play with nice, long, beautiful neck. Press into the palms. And beautiful, right. Bring the left knee all the way back underneath the left hip point. We're gonna take a break off the wrist a second here by curling the toes under, sending the hips back. You're gonna bring the fingertips forward, elbows come to the ground, and then just take a little namaste shark fin here, bringing the palms with the fingertips together. You might get a little stretch in the triceps here. Breathe into your belly, close your eyes, come into your private little love cave. Who said that core strengthening had to be a bummer, had to be a pain, had to be a struggle? Let's make it a beautiful practice. Inhale in and exhale, coming back to your tabletop position. Great, find that connection to your core. And then when you're ready, right toes are gonna come all the way out, find that stretch, lengthen. And then here we go, right toes drawing a big semicircle all the way out to the right. Stay connected to the abdominal wall here. So just take a second to gain that awareness, a bit of sensibility in the right side body and the abdominals. We're not collapsing, but finding that connect. And in time, this becomes easier to do, kind of second nature on the mat. So be patient, breathe deep. Here we go. Inhale, exhale, draw a line nice and slow. Pick the right toe. We're gonna bring it all the way around. Bend the knee and bring it right behind the back of the left knee. Squeeze, feel that stretch. Press into both palms evenly. I'm feeling the lower belly and the upper abdominals engage. Draw in towards the center of my core, and then I'm gonna go back the way I came. Nice and easy here. Keep it going. Press into both palms evenly. Again, upper abdominals and lower belly drawing in towards the center of the body. Notice if you have any clenching or tension going on in the face of the jaw. See if you can soften. Awesome. Slowly waking up the abdominal wall. Great for the booty too. Here we go. Coming all the way back now. Right knee underneath the right hip point. We're going to take it off the wrist this time by curling the toes under, sitting back, and bringing the head and the heart and the pelvis in alignment. Just take a moment here to breathe deep, send love to the soles of the feet. If you want, you can bring the palms together in prayer or take some wrist circles. Breathing deep here, send breath to your belly. All right, my darlings, here we go. Palms are gonna come to the ground. We're gonna go right into our plank pose. Nice and easy. Strong and steady. When you get there, check your alignment. Wrists underneath the shoulders. Toes in line with the hip points. So knees in line with the hip points. Ankles in line with the knees. Then you're gonna reach the heels back, draw the shoulders away from the ears, and look slightly forward here as you lift the front body up to meet the back body. Now breathe into your belly here, activate those muscles even more. Make the most of your time on the mat as you breathe, 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 breathe all the way down into your diaphragm. Keep the neck nice and long. We're here for 5. Breathe deep, stick with it. 4, 3, you got it. 2, nice and easy. 1, downward facing dog. Lift the hips up high, send the heart back. Can take a couple moments here to let go of any stress or tension. Clear your mind. And pedal it out maybe a little bit. Take your dog for a walk. Now, clawing into the fingerprints or coming onto the elbows if you like. We're going to anchor through the left heel and slowly just pike the right knee all the way in towards your heart space. You're going to lift the right knee and flex through the right foot. Peek at me if you need to. Great. From here, we're going to draw big circles with the right knee one way, nice and slow. And then when you get back to the center, you're just going to reverse it and go the other way, nice and slow. And then twice more, one way. And the other. You have it. You got it. One way, one more time. And then the other. Toning the muscles, so awesome, nice and strong. Now check it out. Right knee's gonna continue. Come all the way through. Squeeze right knee in towards the chest. Press away from your yoga mat. Look down. Upper body's in plank. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and downward dog on the 1. Oh my goodness, nice work. Take a deep breath in. I love you too, guys. It's all good. Long breath out. Right heel anchors down. Left knee squeezes in. We flex through the left foot.
Get a break
So
off
kind of
your
like a
hands.
flamingo here. Flamingo dog. That's the ticket. Here we go. Establishing one circle here, nice and slow. Carving a line with the left knee. One way, nice and slow. You're going to want to rush it here.
Take a break off the hand.
And then the other.
Damn, lady. Whew.
And then one way. And then reverse it and the other. You got it. Strengthening the whole body here. Last time, one way. You got it. You got it. Stick with it. And then the other. Breathe deep. Make sure you're breathing. Then continue all the way in, shift forward, left knee squeezes up and in towards the chest. Press away from your yoga mat, try to touch your left heel to the glute. 5, 4, 3, 2, awesome work. Downward dog on the one, you got it. Deep breath in.
Don't break on the hands.
Nice cleansing breath. Let something
Yeah.
go out.
Don't break on the hands.
Great, slowly lower the knees. Sit back. Bring the hands at the heart or maybe to the thighs and just feel that flush of energy. And try not to fidget or get distracted here or laugh or curse me. Just close your eyes or soften your gaze and breathe. So we're getting tone and trim, but not at the cost of our sanity and our relationship and our connection to what matters most, right? To the self. Not on my watch. I'm gonna get ready for summer, I'm gonna get ready for all the things I wanna do, but not at the cost of losing my love or the potential of love for myself. That said, let me kick your butt again. Here we go, like pose. Take your time.
Take your time.
I hope you guys get my point though. I think you do. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, here we go. Hip dips, come to a strong plank first. Get your mind right. Quietly whisper to yourself, I can.
I can.
Do it.
I can kick my butt.
Then soft bend in the elbows, and if you need to, you can always come on to the elbows here.
I can let you kick my
We're gonna
butt.
work the obliques now, the side body, strong core, strong back, so that you can serve yourself and others. Here we go, dipping the right hip down, keep length in the neck. So there's a tendency to kind of collapse the neck through these types of exercises. Keep that awareness that you build every day you come onto your yoga mat through the spine. Come back through center and left hip down. Now keep it going, you can move at your own pace. Upper abdominals and lower belly drawing in towards your center.
Hold on a second. My earbud just died, so you're not gonna get to hear me be a little whiny little roach. So let me get the charge one. Well, I thought it would be charged, but oh, is it even connected? I think I see what's going on here. I think I may have messed this up. So, you know what? Maybe it'll work. So, I'm back. If you can hear me. We'll take a little sip of my tea. I decided to make some coffee this morning. You know? Don't worry, don't rush me. We're gonna get back to the yoga. Yeah, I'm gonna get it done. Don't worry, it's gonna be done. I got a little sip of the tea.
Getting deep. We're doing this in plank here with soft elbows. Nice IT band stretch on that one too. Or we're doing this on the elbows. Forearm plank, dipping down, coming up. Now, see if you can really establish a nice strong line as you come through center.
Yes, I can.
And then notice if you're holding your breath. See if you can deepen your breath. Breathe into those muscles. You're gonna get more tone. You're gonna get more out of it the deeper you breathe. Okay, wherever you are, even it out. And then come back to center. And then come all the way to the belly. Oh, yes. Amazing. Come on to the elbows here. Interlace the fingertips. Press the elbows into the ground.
Okay.
Press the pubic bone into the earth. Tuck the chin to the chest. Inhale, slowly roll it up. You should feel an amazing stretch through your abdominals here.
Yeah.
subtle.
I don't
but
have any abdominals.
sweet. Tight and nice and easy.
They're covered by a
Lift
layer
one
of
foot
fat.
up, then the other. Then you're going to slowly shift all of your toes towards the right, and then all of your toes to left.
Okay.
All right, couple more goes here. Press
Are you
into
laughing
your
at me?
elbows so you're not collapsing your shoulders.
This is good.
All
Thank you.
right, then come back to center. We're
you,
gonna
Lady
bring the
Angie.
knees back in line with the hip points.
Back
Curl the toes
center.
under, draw the hands
Ready?
underneath the shoulders. Inhale, press up, power up, come into your power.
It's gonna be
We're
hard.
gonna come off the hands in just a moment here, so last little ditty. You're gonna press away from the yoga mat, find your breath, inhale. Exhale, squeeze right knee all the way over and up into left elbow, toward left elbow. Excuse me. Then release, find center, then switch left knee over to right elbow. Back to center. Crisscross back and forth, but make sure you pause and center. Moving nice and slow here. Oh yes. We got this. Feel those muscles turn on. I'm certainly feeling them. Turn on.
Turn on.
Breathing deep. Slow and steady. Do 2 more on each side. You got it. Here's 1.
You sure I got it?
And 2. Keep that length in the spine. And here's the second round. You got it. And 2. And then here we go. Lower all the way to the belly. Inhale, pressing the tops of the feet. Cobra, Bhujangasana. Exhale, release. Inhale in, smile. And then exhale, check it out. Fancy yoga move. Flip flop all the way onto your back.
Oh yeah.
When you get there, take your hands to your belly if you like. Feel the ground, the earth underneath you. And then bend the knees, bring the feet up. Fingertips are gonna come towards the heels. We're gonna walk the shoulder blades underneath. Inhale, lift the hips, stretch through the belly, just one little bridge pose here. Draw your chest to your chin, and then your chin to the sky. Take one more breath here, and then slow and steady release. Awesome. Keep the hands where they are. Press up off the ball joints of the big toes, and lift the knees up towards the sky. Now, try to get your knee over your hip point, but you want your lower back to be supported. So there's going to be a little bit of movement in time as you build strength in your core. So if you're just waking up these muscles for the first time, maybe ever, you might want to bring the knees a little bit closer so you feel that support. If you're slowly waking up these muscles and in time find that you can bring the knees further back, more stacked over the hip points, work in that direction. Okie doke, here we go. You're going to extend the right leg, just the right leg. And then exhale, bring it in. Inhale, extend the left leg, just the left leg. And then bring it in. Nice. Inhale, extend the right leg. Maybe lower it down just a bit. And then bring it in. And then left leg. Inhale to extend, lower it maybe just a bit. And then bring it in. So we're working subtle movement here. You've done all this great work in the upper body. So now we're working subtle movement. And this is really activating lower belly. So palms pressing into the earth. Upper body is relaxed. Bring that sensibility of a yogi to
Got it.
this. Upper body relaxed, soften
Upper
the
body
face.
relax.
Inhale, extend one leg. And then exhale, slowly bring it in. You're going to want to come all the way up, so keep it nice and far away. Okay, nice and easy, we're moving. Inhale to extend. Exhale to bring it in. Targeting your lower belly. Scooping the tailbone up. And then find a drishti today, something above to focus on. Maybe you even close the eyes. You just want to find one thing to focus on or close the eyes so that you can start to feel this awakening in the lower belly, which gets such a, just a ton of bad juju, right? Constantly hiding this belly, tucking it in.
Oh my God.
So building strength here. Lower back is supported by the mat. Definitely starting to feel it with your, keep the upper body nice and easy. You might feel that shake, that prana moving here. Keep it going with your breath. Inhaling to extend and exhaling to bring it in. If you need more of a challenge, gotta have more, just lower that leg that extends and then reel it back in.
Oh my God.
Overwork the hip flexor here so that you can't continue to do the reps, but maybe you do find that you can lower that extended leg and bring it back in.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
So just
Oh
play
my
around
God.
here and
Oh
keep
my
it
God.
going.
Oh my God. I love it. I love it. I love
As
it.
you
I
continue
love
on,
it.
you're
I
going to
love
be
it.
tempted to manifest tension in the upper body to cope, but see if you can use your focus.
No. Let's not have
And
no
your breath.
tension in the upper body to cope. You guys, I just farted.
Use your focus
Excuse
and your
me,
breath to
please.
stay committed. And to stay committed in particular to the integrity.
The routine is already working.
Alright, definitely
Is that
going
farted?
to meet your appropriate edge today. Do one more on each side if you can. That's the ticket. Alright, here we go. Even it out. Then keep the knees over the hip points. You're going to inhale in, reach your fingertips up and overhead. Exhale, straighten the legs, reach the fingertips up towards the toes. Inhale, bend the knees, bring it back down. Exhale, squeeze and lift. Imagine you're bringing a big beach ball up towards your toes. Inhale,
Oh
back
my
down.
gosh. Oh my gosh.
Exhale, bring it up. Inhale.
I'm trying.
Exhale.
But,
Stick with me, guys. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more, you got it. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time. Inhale. Give it your everything. Exhale. Squeeze and lift. Squeeze and lift. Squeeze and lift. And release everything. Hug your knees into the chest. You did awesome. Amazing. Crawl the shoulder blades down the back body. Close your eyes. Imagine you're a bear cub scratching your back on a tree.
Rock-a-my baby.
You killed that. And if you struggle with that, I admire you for sticking with it, for just still listening, still having the video playing. And remember, you can, the idea is to repeat this, to use this along with your yoga practice, along with your other training. Use it as a little at-home supplemental core power wake-up call.
Wake-up call.
When you're ready, let's rock and roll up and down the length of the spine. Finding a nice supportive breath, something that feels awesome.
I love these.
Maybe inhaling this idea or this feeling
I
of
do these in my
sensation or change.
warm up all the time.
And then exhaling any excess stagnant energy that
Can we do 20 more?
isn't serving you any longer.
I want to do 20 more.
Nice seat. Let's take a little twist
You
to
can
one
keep
side.
But I want to do.
And then to the other
I like
side,
these.
maybe.
These are pretty cool.
Back to center. Bring your hands together. Last bit of heat. Just creating a little energy. And if you do this, think about opening your heart. So we can get really focused on one area of the body, but we're gonna end with this heart opener. Warming heart opener. Nice and tall. Just as a reminder to the brain. Super powerful.
Okay.
But as we continue our journey to just better ourselves and be the best version of ourselves, that we must do it mindfully and lovingly, remembering the body is not a bunch of different parts. One big part. And I love you, dear body.
I love you, dear body. So sexy.
Deep breath in, lift your heart, so nice and tall. And long breath out. Bring the palms together, starting to thumbs to sternum. Close your eyes. Do, all my bad jokes aside, do take a moment here to just honor your body and love your body. To notice your breath. And remember that it's all one. To celebrate that, we'll bow the head to the heart. Here we go. And finish by quietly whispering, Namaste.
Wait, is that all? Oh, we're done? Oh, dang it. We're done. We're done. Can you believe it? The video is done, guys. Can you believe that was 20 minutes? 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 20 minutes done. But you know what? I'm not done. I want to do one more set. And I'm going to try to get 50 reps. 50 reps. So we're going to go back to this one. So she said, inhale. Extend. Exhale. Inhale, extend, exhale. I'm gonna count that as 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's burning. I'm really gonna try to get 50? Dang. 32, 33, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Oh. Feel like I want to poop. Feel like I want to poop. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh! I don't want to do no more. I'm good. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. It's over. I'm done. It's time to pick my daughter up.